What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Instructify video. Today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can delete your Snapchat account super easily. It's not going to take that long. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, so what you have to do is click over here on your avatar. Then once you click on it, what you have to do is click on your settings. Once you click on that, what you have to do is scroll down, right? So once you scroll down, there should be an option all the way down. There should be an option before logging out where it's that delete account, right? So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page right here. What you have to do is going to have to log in, right? Where you have to put in your username. So once you put in your username, click on next. Boom, you're going to have a little puzzle. Just follow that puzzle. Boom. 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 Alright, so once you do that, what you're going to have to do is put in your password, right? So once you put in your password, you just sign in, click on next. Then it's gonna take you to this page right here. From here, what you have to do is just put in your password, your username, and after 30 days, your account is first gonna be deactivated for 30 days. And after the 30 days, do not log in those 30 days. And after 30 days, your account is gonna be automatically deleted. And if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know if you guys need any help in the comment section. Thank you.